So every final year candidate or who completed or even who are second year and final year, it is very, very important concept for you, because today I want to discuss the questions from frequently asked questions, and I covered majority of the topics which are focusing on previous companies from last 2 months only. Either if you consider either Accenture or Tech Mahindra, Wipro or TCS, I collected the questions and I will share you the questions which is asked in the last 2 months only. And these are very important. The models are important for bank and SSC exams also, guys. Because after your graduation, this is your next step. This is your next step. If you want to do anything, you have to do this one. Except this, there is no another alternative for you. So, shall we enter into the session, guys? Shall we? Ready for just 1.5 hours of time? You have to be patient, and I will give you some tasks also you have to solve and you have to mention in the chat box. Are you ready? Everyone. Yes, okay. Even guys, if you are facing any problem while seeing screen and camera, I'll turn off the camera, then it will be better for you. Yes, okay. Now, I will give the questions with company name also, guys, with company name. We are moving from basic to advanced, but first priority I will give it to you only. First priority I will give it to you, because I taken the sessions of percentages for few students, maybe majority of the students. Guys, stop annotation or else I will stop it. This is very, very important question. Not only Wipro, just I mentioned the name of Wipro, but this question asked from even Tech Mahindra and majority of the companies, guys. Even this is the question without changing the values. I will give priority to you. Just to concentrate the two numbers which I underlined. That's more than enough to solve the question. Let us see who will solve this first. I'm waiting for your replies. As I will give a time of 1 minute only, because I want to cover many of the questions and many topics. $1,050. Okay. Hitesh 1050, Variyamma 168. Okay. Lokesh, okay. Sure, Hindu. That's why people raise your hands. Manvita, Jed Rajeshri. Okay, I will come to you once. Okay, guys. Now, listen the question. Guys, if fruit seller had some apples, a fruit seller had some apples. What is the meaning of it? We don't know how many apples. Let it be treated as 100%. Let it be treated as 100%. Let it be treated as 100%. Now, he sells 40% of the apples. That is also given in the question. If any person, suppose you have 100 rupees, you purchase something for 40 rupees or your expenses 40. This is sold. Now, what is the remaining, guys? We can easily say, in out of 100 rupees, if you spend 40, remaining will be 60. Remaining amount will be 60. Even same in the case of percentage also. If you spend 40%, remaining is 60%. Same in the question also. He sells 40%, still he has 420 apples. And after spending 40, still he have 420 apples and the remaining are 420. Remaining percentage is 60. Remaining apples are 420. That's it. Just a remaining we have to come. And originally he had represent always 100%. Always 100%. Always 100% because original amount. Just we have to do cross multiplication. I will give you two methods here. Method 1 to solve cross multiplication, which are diagonally opposite, you have to consider in numerator. If two numbers are diagonally opposite, one is 100, one is 420, but both you consider in numerator, then which is a single one, that is there is no opponent diagonally. 60, there is no opponent, it is a question mark. So this 60 you have to consider in denominator and you have to do simplification. 0, 0, 6 ones, 6 sevens. Then 7 into 100, it will become 700. It will become 700. So originally he had 700 apples. This is a method 1. And another method, you can see, guys, observe carefully. I already explained in percentages topic. Horizontal comparison we called. What is the relation between 60 and 420? Eliminate this 0. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. Same number you have to multiply for 100. 100 into 7. It will become 700. Direct answer. This I will be generally call it as my method. No need to solve, no need to calculate. Just you have to understand the relation between 6 and 7. Just if you understand the relation between 6 and 7, that's more than enough, guys. Or 60 and 420. 67 to 420. 107 to 700. That's it, answer will be done. Hope is it clear for all? Madhumita, very good. Madhumita answered. Shravani also. Yes, 2 members answered correctly. Madhumita and Shravani, very good, guys. Keep it up. Guys, is it clear for all? Just mention in the short box yes. Then we'll move to the next question. Again, I am telling you, every question you have to note down, guys. Every question you have to note down. There is 70% of the chances you may get the same questions if you attempt any exam within 3 or 4 months. Because no MNC company will change the questions up to 3 months. So there is a chance. I'm not giving you the question paper, remember it. There is a chance, high percentage of chances. Okay, good. Now, let's move to the next question, guys. Be ready. Be active in this 1.5 hours of time. Now, this is also asked in GCS quiz. One of the major recruitment going on in TCS, guys, from past 3 months, not 3 months, more than 4 months, they are recruiting every week. Every week they are assigning a test who applied. Very, very huge recruitment for TCS. So in TCS, you may not expect the same questions, but you may expect the same models. I will show you some more other questions also in TCS, which become a bit complicated nowadays. Hi everyone. Even I will give you a clue just by underlining the words. This complete word, two-third, should be important for you. It's a continuation of the word two-third. Two is to four. Hindu Priya, good. Check it once. Did you may did any mistake or not? Check it carefully, guys. Actually, many members are trying to join, but Zoom limit is up to 100%. It already crossed. Only 1% left now. Okay. Four is to three. Pavitra. Okay. With two different answers, but I hope remaining 98 members are trying to solve the question. Five is to three. Anitha, Madhumita, 4/3. Okay. Guys, this is the example. We know the method, but we did a small mistakes. We did a small mistakes. Let me explain once. So first one is they mentioned that one more person answered 5 to 3. So now Madhumita 4/3. Okay. Now I will explain this. Let us see where you did a mistake. You can analyze. You can analyze easily. They mentioned that sum. The word sum represent addition. 5% of A and 4% of B. Okay. 5%. Guys, I will make it simple because you already know. Just I will write few steps directly. Try to understand. 5% of A and 4% of B. Because they mentioned sum. Is, that means is equal to 2/3. That means 2/3. Of again sum of 6% of A plus 8% of B. Just you have to know, guys, how to write this equation according to the given question. Any question, if you write an equation, 90% of the question is cleared, guys. 90% of the question is cleared. Just if you have to write an equation. Now, observe carefully how I will eliminate, because percentage is common in all. Percentage is common. If you divide with 100, there is no use. It will be cancelled automatically. So I eliminate here. Now 3 is here in denominator. Coming to the left hand side, it become a numerator. It become a numerator. That means if you eliminate 3 here, you have to multiply with 3 here. You have to multiply with 3. Now I am directly writing 3 5s there. 15 of A. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 going into the right hand side, it become minus. I'm writing minus 12b directly here. Minus 12b. Off is also not required. Minus 12b. Now here multiply with 2 6 are 12 of A in right hand side. Coming into the left hand side, it become minus 12a. Minus 12a. Now 2 into 8, 16b. 16b. Now 15 minus 12 become 3a is equal to 16 minus 12, 4b. Up to here, many members will solve, guys. After this, you can observe, you may did a mistake by treating it as 3:4. By treating it as 3:4. But it is not correct, because b coming into the left hand side, it become a by b is equal to 3 going into the right hand side, it become by 3 in denominator. Now a by b become 4 by 3. If you want to write a ratio for this, a is to b become 4:3. 4:3. Many students, guys, I seen from past to 10 years, majority of the students did a mistake like this type of steps. They will solve up to here, but by little bit negligence, they mentioned as 3:4. 100% your first option will be 3:4 in the exam, no doubt. Because options also traps, guys. Remember, don't trust options always. Options are traps. No one will give default some random answers. 3:4 answer, right? No one will give you 10:15, 45:96 as options. Here also you may see few students who mentioned 3:4. Either Rushvi or some other people also mentioned, because this is a practical example. Few members answered 4:3, but if you got to 5:3 or 2 something other answers, check it once, guys. Check it and inform me in the chat box. Is it clear or not for everyone? If you got wrong answer, I will focus on you very well, guys, because you have to clear. You have to be clear. Remaining persons, if they didn't mention, I didn't know are you solved or not. Because if you tried, if it is wrong or right, try to mention in the chat box. Whatever the answer will be, try to mention. It's clear. Okay, good, guys. Clear. Good. Okay, remaining people just note down. I will give you a time of 30 seconds. Note down, then we'll go to the next question. Let's after you copying, just mentioned P in the chat box to proceed to the next question. Then we'll move. Shravani, actually, Zoom limit is 100 members. We crossed the limit. If 100 members are joined, just first come, first serve basis. There are 100 members, and one person may not join. That may be the reason. Okay, let us see. If there is another link, there is no another person can start it now. The single link may not start, but we'll plan for the next time. If more than 100 members, what to do? We'll plan according to that. Yeah, sure. Done, guys. Shall we move to the next one? I mentioned again. Say P in the chat box for proceed to the next question. Any question, if you complete it, just P. Yes, okay. Okay, sure. Okay, good. But why I'm giving time is these questions are very, very valuable. And last 15-20 minutes are very important for you guys. I want to discuss one more new type of question. Actually, they're asking in generally bank exams, but this time they started even in Accenture, they started this type of asking questions. No companies will concentrate on A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square nowadays, because there is a special topic called critical reasoning or abstract reasoning. I want to discuss that once. Okay, now try this, all of you. Come on, fast. Yes, simply the given difference between the numbers just to do subtraction. 78 minus 59. It is 19%. That is the difference of the same number is equal to 323. That means 19% is equal to 323. 19% is equal to 323. You have to calculate 62% of the number. What is 62% of that number? What is 62% of that number? Same again, you have to do cross multiplication. That's it. Satvika, very good. This time answered by Satvika. The correct answer, very good. Indupriya, very good. Shantini, good. Guys, it's a challenge for you. 3 girls are answered. Where you are? Joshna, good. Boys may solve only very tough questions, I guess. They thought these are very easy. Yes, same thing, guys. Just do cross multiplication. Method one, I'm telling you. Same like cross multiplication, which are diagonally opposite. 62 and 323 are opposite. So 62 into 323 by single number 19. You have to calculate. That means you have to know 19 table very well. Good, Bhumika, Bhargavi. Bhumika, check it once. Bushelsvi. Shravani, okay. Bhumika, check it once your answer. Mamata, okay. Here 19 table you have to know, but if we don't know 19 table, if you are very weak in maths or calculations like me, so I invented some more different methods, guys. Now I will tell you. Good, very good, guys. Answer very great. Now, if I treat it as x, what is the meaning of this? Which are diagonally opposite, the value should be equal. That is the meaning of it. So 19 into x is equal to 62 into 323. Even here also meaning is this one only. Here if you consider it as x, again this 19 coming into the left hand side, it becomes product. That means 19 into x is equal to 62 into 323. Now here, listen to my method. I will apply one more new concept. Guys, here, what is the unit digit which fall? 3 2s are 6. Any numbers before 2 or before 3, if you multiply, last digit will never change, 6 only. Remaining digits, some so and so will come. Remaining digits, so and so numbers will come. Let it be. But here also, if I get a 6, then only these two numbers are equal, right? If I get a 6 on both the sides as a unit digit, then only the two numbers are same. Now, we have to multiply with 9. Multiply with here, unit digit is 9. Multiply with our options. If you multiply with the option here, remaining are not required for me, only last digit. 4 9s are, I will get a 6 at the ending. Okay, there is a chance. 8 9s are 72, 2 at the ending, but I need 6. So option B eliminated. Here 7 9s 63, but I need 6. This is eliminated. 9 9s are 81, but I need 6. This is eliminated. So the only possible answer for me is 1054. Just to apply unit digit concept. Here 2, here 3. 3 2s are 6. 9 into which number will give 6? 9 4s are 36. That is having only option. Here. Simple. No need of calculation. No need to divide with the 90. Very good. Majority of even boys also answered. Now, good. Guys, is both methods are clear for you? Just copy it. Then if completed, say P in the chat box. Then we'll move to the next question. Last 3 minutes are running out, guys. Else you have to rejoin again. Just note down if completed, say P in the chat box, guys. Then we'll move to the next question. Anyway, last 1 minute. We'll have to rejoin. Completed just now. Okay. No need to mention complete one also. Just to say P in the chat box. Then I treat it as a proceed to the next question. Then I will move to the next one. Because these questions and way of methods also very important. Generally, I want to move to the my methods only second method, which is very simple, but few people may not know the complete topic. That's why I'm initially explaining the first method also for you guys. Only 3 members mentioned that completed. Okay. Even Shravani, there are 97 members. You can ask your friends to join now. Then they can connect and stay back. Because if 100 are completed, again, it not permits. Any of your friends also who are there, just inform them once. And before that, you have to be joined, guys. Else, you will be blocked maybe. First to join and then inform. Okay, guys, last 1 minute only, running out of the time. Now rejoin all of you.